Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, VIVO X90 Pro device, and I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for your device. So now I have enabled the theme in on the third place in my top. It's Niagara launcher theme. I really love this theme, and when I am at work, I always enable this launcher because it's very easy to use. It's simple, it's beautiful, and it's very fast to use. For example, if you want to find any application, so here you have all your favorite apps or your most used apps. You have 9 features, images, icons and data. And if you want to find any application, for example Play Store, just tap your finger on the alphabetical line and drag it to B button, and Play Store is here. On the second place is Smart Launcher 6. Find it and install. Open, get started, agree, confirm. So here we have a really beautiful launcher with a really beautiful interface. Here we have apps main menu. Here we have all our applications with really great apps grouping feature. So as you can see, all my apps are grouped by groups, and it's very easy and useful to use. Okay, and on the first place in my top is the Microsoft launcher. I really love this launcher because this launcher is multifunctional. So you can use this launcher for example, I am using this launcher where I am at university because I need be multifunctional, and this launcher helps me in this. So here you have all your your widgets panel, so you can set up all widgets you need on the left panel, and this panel is not freezing. Here you have apps main menu with alphabetical line and with hide apps feature, and you can set up gestures. For example, to finger swipe down, open calendar, for example. Of course, you need to set up your favorite and most used apps. For example, by swiping down using 2 fingers, I'm opening the calendar application. So if you want to set any of these application by default, you need to open settings, then find apps here, choose default apps, choose home app, and choose your favorite launcher as default. That's it. Thanks for watching, and bye.